What's going on, you guys? It's me, Kyle here, and I want to tell you guys something. Oh, tiger! Hey, get over here! You are stubborn. Oh, no, please. Just sit there for the video. Just sit there, huh? Yes, tiger. And you are stubborn. Okay, I want to tell you guys about a story. About tiger. Tiger. Okay. He almost clawed me. Beep. Tiger. Oh, buddy. Okay. What? I want to tell the story about the thunderstorm. Yeah? Yeah, you remember that. Huh? You remember that. Yeah, you remember that thunderstorm. Yeah. It was a thunderstorm in January. And it was so big. Lightning flashes. Yeah, you remember that. Huh? Remember? I'll just let you take a look. Take a look. Oh my gosh, Tiger. Just take a look here yourself. Jeez! That thunderstorm was so big that it scared my animals pretty much. I do believe he was talking to me. Yeah, it was pretty big, you know. It was just like, I mean, that flash. It was just like, hey, you get over here. Come here. You can't get over there, buddy. Hey, come here. Oh my gosh, you're trying to step on the mouse. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Okay. Anyway, that thunderstorm was so big that it was just... Sit down. Dumb dog. Okay. Like I said, that thunderstorm was so massive. It just... as you guys heard, you know. I went, oh shit. It was very powerful, you know. But, yeah. Not as much as that rainstorm, though. That rain was just... it was huge. We got this big downpour of rain. You guys can take a look at that too. This rain was just, it's like, oh man. But Washington, what can I tell you? That's what it's there for. Yeah. What can I tell you? Beep. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Here, wanna say hi? Huh? What are you doing? Say hello. Say hello. What you doing, buddy? What you doing? Oh, spiders. Can you believe you'll turn 15 this year? 15 years old. Okay. A big puppy. Big puppy. Yeah. Big puppy. Oh, you want to say hi? Say hello. Say hello. Yeah. Say hello, buddy. Okay. Oh, big hug. But yeah, check out that video of the storm right now. Yeah. It was coming real down. Check it out. Yeah, buddy. The rainy season. Look at that. Look at that heavy rain. Oh, look at that. That is a lot of rain coming down. Oh. I have an idea. So those are pretty much the two stories, but two videos that I pretty much put in a vlog for you. The rainstorm, and then the lightning. Yeah, the lightning was just really, it shocked me. You know. Oh, 1 second. What's a video? What's a video without Mountain Dew? Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Well, I guess I'm gonna sign off, you know. I'm gonna sign off right here, and I'm going to, I don't know, guess I'll talk to you whenever I can. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you know, you name it. An itch. Alright guys, I'll see you later. That's good. Later guys.